Hi, I am Archisman and this is my intro video for my project under beagleboard.org for Google Summer of Code 2021. My mentors are Abhishek Kumar, Pratim Ogale and Andrew Henderson. I am a second year undergraduate at IIT Guwahati studying electronics and electrical engineering. I am interested in embedded programming, compilers and have worked with C++, Python before. I will link my GitHub page and my progress tracker blog in the video description below. So what is the PRU? The processors used inside the BeagleBoard are made of multiple CPUs including two programmable real-time units or PRUs. These are 200 MHz 32-bit microcontroller CPUs with a zero-depth pipeline and single-cycle access to a collection of pins and peripherals optimized for implementing software-defined peripherals. The PRUs don't have predefined tasks in the system and are free from the Linux scheduler, so they are ideal for predictable, low-latency tasks. What is simpPRU? Programming the PRU natively involves several steps, like writing the firmware for the PRU, writing a loader program, so it can be difficult for a beginner. To combat this, simpPRU was developed during GSoC 2020. It is a simple programming language that compiles onto PRU-C with support for reading and writing from pins, using delays and counters, and limited communication capability between the Linux host CPU and the PRUs using remote proc and RP message. It also has a console app on the host side to send and receive messages sent from the PRU. So what am I going to add? Firstly, simpPRU currently has support for the BeagleBone Black, Black Wireless, AI and the Pocket Beagle. This project will add support for the BeagleBone Blue too, which is very similar to the Black but with added capabilities useful for robotics projects. Secondly, I'll be adding tests which simpPRU currently lacks but is necessary to catch bugs and regressions later when I start adding language features. Finally, I'll be fixing some known issues and adding some language features that will make simpPRU a more mature and capable platform. Let's discuss some of the language features to be added. First, I'll be adding the ability to use hexadecimal numbers to initialize ints and add support for the modulo operator and the bit shift operators. These are useful for writing device drivers, for example. Next, I'll be adding support for a new character or unsigned 8-bit integer data type. Combined with support for C-style static arrays, this will also enable a string data type. Next, I'll be adding a more flexible for loop and better error handling in the parser so that users get more relevant and useful error messages. The ability to send more complex data through RP messages, such as sending booleans, characters, and arrays, and also receive them in simpPRU console. Hopefully, these changes will make simpPRU more complete and mature than before and will enable more people to use it, whether it be a beginner just starting to explore the capabilities of the PRU or more experienced people wanting to quickly prototype something. Thank you.